Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Mexico. Welcome to my channel, and in this video and in this series we're gonna talk about object-oriented programming in PHP. So what is this object-oriented programming? This OOP is just a paradigm based on the idea of objects, and we can think of objects as any objects in a real life. So cars, houses, bicycles, anything you can imagine. When you see a car, you can say, okay, this is a car, and when you see another car, you can say, okay, this is still a car, but maybe it's a little bit different because it has another color, it has another size, some other properties, maybe, but this is still a car, and all that cars are still objects, and but they have one similar type, and that type we can call it as a class in PHP. So okay, well, basically let's just start coding, because just to get the idea of the object-oriented programming, the best way to get it is just to start coding. So okay, imagine we want to introduce a car. Yeah. So imagine we want to introduce a new type in our application, and we want to create, manipulate, and maybe do any other stuff with cars. So okay, we want to introduce a new class of car, and so that being said, now we can create cars. Cool. We want to create some car, and we can do it by saying by assigning a new car to some variable. So now our variable some car stores an object of a car. Okay, perfect. Let's just check that we have no errors. Yeah, no errors. Perfect. But we also can create another car. So let's just check for errors. No errors. Perfect. So we basically created a new kind of class car and created two cars. So we now have two objects, and that is the the main idea, the key of in the object-oriented programming. So some car and another car are objects. Okay, perfect. So but now we can do almost nothing with our cars, and let's just introduce a property. I mentioned that car can have color, can have size. So let's just introduce a color. Red. Okay, perfect. Please don't pay any attention to this public keyword. If you have no idea what the hell is going on here, just don't be confused. We are gonna talk about it a little bit later. So for now, we created a property color and assigned the value red. So we can access it from any other object. So like here, and let's just echo this. Let's just echo. Okay, and a little bit of space. Okay, let's just check that out. Oh, another car. Sorry, stupid mistake. Yeah, perfect. So okay, for now we have two objects, two cars, some car and another car, and they have a property of the color and the value red. Not bad, but what if we want to put some, I don't know, maybe logic? So for example, I want to say we have a size of I don't know, not just we want to calculate this size. So what if we want to calculate a size, and for now we will just return, I don't know, 10. Okay, 10. So these are the properties of this class, and these are methods. Yeah, you can see that this is a function, but in the object-oriented idea we call it as a method. So this is a method, and this is a property. Okay. So now we can access this method. So we just size, and let's just check that out. Yeah, this is Yeah, let's just add a little bit of space. Yeah, this is 10. So these two, the properties and methods are the key to the classes in PHP, and they are, really important. And you have to get that. If we say that we define a method, it's gonna be, you can use this method in any object created, and the same for properties. Yeah, for now you can see that all our cars are red and have a size 10. That's not maybe that perfect, but we're gonna definitely talk about the differentials between these cars a little bit later. So that is all for now. Don't be confused. We're gonna talk a little bit later about all other concepts of object-oriented programming in PHP. So just for now, that is cool that we created an object or declared a class car. So okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.